asleep. It's too late to change my mind. There is a promise I must keep. What will they take in the morning? Half my life a set of keys as they're kicking at the tires. Oh, I bet that they'll look pleased as the taillights pull away. There's one more thing I have to say. I'm selling the cool car for you. I'm selling the cool car for you. It's the thing I gotta do. Once you owned a car like that, I guess there's no turning back. But I can't keep you by my side and keep a Buick on the track. It impressed you when we met, it was all too plain to see. But now the point that you impress, we need to get from A to B.